How to block inappropriate content on YouTube. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can block inappropriate content on YouTube. For that, you want to open the YouTube app on your device. Then make sure to log into your account. Now on YouTube, there is always risk of inappropriate content, especially when children are using the application. So if you want to be careful and want to block all the inappropriate or adult contents on YouTube, then follow these simple steps. First of all, you want to tap on the U option at the bottom of your screen. From here, tap on the gear icon and that is going to open up these settings. Here you have different options. Tap on the one that is General. On this page, scroll all the way down. There you will find an option of restricted mode. Restricted mode helps to hide potentially mature videos. However, remember that no filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to the app on this device. Now you want to toggle this option on. Once you have toggled it on, if you head back, you can now browse filtered videos on YouTube and all the inappropriate contents will be blocked. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.